Hello and welcome to History Pod. On the 2nd of September 1666, the Great Fire of London began at a bakery in Pudding Lane. London in the 17th century was sprawling and disorganised, with thousands of buildings inside the old Roman wall that lay at its heart. This area, known confusingly as the City, may well have been the centre of English commerce, but was also an enormous fire hazard due to its narrow warrens of houses and workshops. The ballooning population ignored the law that banned the use of wood and thatch and continued to construct up to 6 or even 7-storey buildings with overhanging jetties whose roofs would often meet. Beginning in a bakery at Pudding Lane, the catastrophic fire blazed for more than 3 days and destroyed over 13,000 houses, churches and government buildings. It's generally accepted that the Lord Mayor should have acted more decisively when pressed to authorise the demolition of buildings to create a firebreak. Having failed to cut off the fire in the early hours of Sunday morning, it spread to the south and west thanks to the wind. By lunchtime, most residents had given up any hope of extinguishing the flames themselves and instead turned to fleeing the fire. The mass of refugees in the narrow streets made it almost impossible for professional fire crews to reach the blaze, further slowing down attempts to extinguish the fire. Historians believe the blaze was only brought under control thanks to the use of gunpowder to eventually create large fire breaks, which coincided with the previously strong winds dying down. Then, the biggest challenge began: trying to rebuild the city from the smouldering ruins.